Good morning, all of you. Today's lecture Analytical Chemistry MCT 301 Principle of Analytical Chemistry Unit 4 Solvent Extraction. Point Extraction Equilibria. Equilibria phenomena are of central importance to solvent extraction since such phenomena have been investigated for many decades. Two primary methods are employed in studying solvent extraction equilibria. First, graphical method, slope analysis, and second, numerical methods, computer moderating. The liquid-liquid extraction, also known as solvent extraction, and partially is a method to separate compounds or metal complex based on their relative solubilities into different immiscible liquids. For example, usually water, polar solvent, and organic non-polar solvents. There is a net transfer of one more species for one liquid into another liquid phase, generally from aqueous to organic phase. The transfer is derived by chemical potential, that is, once that transfer is complete in overall system of chemical component that make up the solvent and the solvents are in a more stable configuration. The solvent that is enriched in solute S small s is called extract. Then consideration of an extraction equilibrium gives quantitative information regarding experimental parameters which play an important role in selectivity of extraction. Extraction system involving chelation and solvation will be considered. Between the reaction occurs when an equation phase containing a metal ion comes in contact with an organic phase having chelating ligand. 5 points are this extraction equilibria. First, chelating ligand distribution between two phases. Second, chelating ligand dissociation. Third, chelating ion combines with metal ion 2 from extrahable chelate. Fourth, chelate metal or metal chelate distribute into two phases. And final, fifth, distribution ratio. Then first, chelating ligand distributes between two phases. In M, small m is metal ion with valency n and HR is chelating ligand. Then chelating ligand distributes between aqueous or organic phase. Then equation HR aqueous is equal to HR organic. Then coefficient of constant distribution between chelates two phases, symbol KDR is equal to concentration of HR ions in organic phase divided by concentration of HR ions in aqueous phase. Equation number first. Then second point, chelating ligand dissociation. Ligand HR dissociates, gives H plus ions and R minus ions. Then equation dissociation constant Ka is equal to square bracket concentration of H plus ions into concentration of R minus ions divided by concentration of HR means ligands. Point 3, chelating anion combines with metal ion to form extrahable chelate metal ions plus N R minus means extrahable chelate R minus ions. The complex will be formed MRN and then coefficient formation constant Chelating anion combines with metal ion to form extrable chelate are also called as formation constant. Symbol Kf is equal to concentration of mRn divided by concentration of m plus into concentration of nr minus. Then fourth point, chelate metal distributes into two phases. Then this complex metal chelate form distribute in two phases in aqueous or organic phase. Then equation concentration of metal complex or metal chelate in aqueous phase is equal to metal chelate in organic phase. And then chelate metal distributes into two phases are also called as concentration K dx is equal to concentration of mRn in organic phase divided by concentration of mR in aqueous phase. Means distribution between metal chelate in organic and aqueous phase are symbol K dx is equal to concentration of metal chelate complex in organic phase divided by concentration of metal chelate ion in aqueous phase. Fifth point, distribution ratio D can be evaluated if metal chelate mRn is in organic phase and mn plus in the aqueous phase. So distribution ratio D is equal to concentration of metal in organic phase divided by concentration of metal is equal to metal chelate concentration in organic phase divided by concentration of metal ion in aqueous phase. By combining equation 5 and equation 1, then D is equal to concentration of metal chelate in organic phase divided by concentration of metal ion into concentration of ligand in organic phase divided by concentration of ligand in aqueous phase. And this equation solve equation number 6, Kf into K dx divided by K dr into this term HR organic divided by H plus, means formation constant of complex into dissociation constant into distribution coefficient of metal complex divided by distribution coefficient of metal chelate into concentration of ligand organic phase divided by concentration of H plus ions in organic phase. From equation 5, it is clear that the distribution ratio D independent on the concentration of metal ion and hence extraction plays an important role in macro and micro level of metal in the sample. An increasing pH range, good extraction is achieved by using higher reagent concentration. This permits extraction at lower pH. There extraction equilibria will two types. First, selectivity of extraction and separation efficiency alpha and beta, and second, selectivity of extraction related with pH 1/2 or half pH. First point, selectivity of extraction separation efficiency will be discussed. It is evaluated in terms of separation factor alpha, which is represented as, then alpha is equal to D1 by D2, means distribution ratio of one metal divided by distribution ratio of another metal is equal to formation constant one metal into distribution ratio of ligand one metal divided by formation constant of another metal into distribution ratio of ligand with another metal. In case of separation of two metal ions with some extraction depends upon the different stability of chelates Kf and on the later stabilities Kdx of chelates. In organic phase, steric hindrance by effective substitution of ligand and use of secretarizing agent can enhance the selectivity by indirectly increasing magnitude of separation factor alpha. There will be number of possibilities of separation. If alpha is equal to 1 as d1 is equal to d2, it is maximum. If alpha is larger, alpha is equal to d1 by d2. If there will be one case. Another case, if d1 is equal to d2, then alpha is equal to 1, no separation. If d1 is most greater than d2 is equal to separation possible, that is alpha is equal to high, separation is also high. Second point, selectivity of extraction related with pH or pH half. Solvent pH will have little effect on the relation and extraction of neutral compounds. But if ionizable compounds like metal, iron are present in sample, pH control is necessary to stable extraction. The pH of the solvent phase can be an extremely powerful tool to ionization. When selecting a buffer to control the solvent phase pH, be sure to select one with a pKa value within 1 pH unit of the desirable pH, or it may not have enough buffering capacity to stabilize extraction. This is pH extraction graph. Percentage extraction versus equilibrium pH and some examples of extraction: iron third, zinc second, copper second, cobalt second, manganese second, nickel second. We have derivation d is equal to kf into ka into kdx divided by kdr into h, concentration of ligand in organic phase, divided by concentration of H plus ions in organic phase. Kf means formation constant, Ka means dissociation constant, Kda means distribution ratio of metal chelate, and Kdr means distribution ratio of ligand. Hr means ligand in organic phase. H plus ions means concentration of H plus ions in organic phase. This term are also called as K star and constant. Then equation D is equal to K star into HR D organic phase divided by H concentration of H plus ions in organic phase. If reagent concentration of HR or concentration of ligand is constant, then equation D is equal to K star K star into 1 upon H plus concentration of H plus ions N. And this equation solve you to rewrite D is equal to K star concentration of H plus ions minus N. Taking log of both sides. This equation taking log of both sides. Then equation log D is equal to log K star minus N pH. Logarithm of H plus ions H plus ions, the log is pH. Now VW or VO we have. Aqueous phase is equal to organic phase. Then distribution ratio and percentage extraction equation is D is equal to VW by VO into E divided by 100 minus E. And this equation solve percentage extraction equation. Final equation we get E divided by 100 minus E. Then this equation and this equation, left hand side are same. This equation and this equation are left hand side are same, so right hand sides are also same. Then E upon 100 minus E is equal to K star E, concentration of H plus ions raised to minus N. And then this equation will be taking log. Then that is log D is equal to log E minus log 100 minus E. And then log D is equal to log K star minus N pH when P is equal to 50% of phases or 50% of concentration in presence phases, two phases, organic or aqueous. Then pH factor are also 50% extraction. And then final equation we get pH 1/2 is equal to 1 by N log K star. If this equation are HR constant, then if HR various, pH 1/2 is equal to 1 by N log K star plus log HR in various ligand. This shows that pH half extraction is constant are for the same concentration of given chelating agent HR. The magnitude of pH is dependent only on the organic phase, less of ion or number of metal ion, and stability constant. Then graphical represent or example of aluminium. Aluminium in aqueous solution as a function of pH. A variety of hydroxy complex to form aluminium, including aluminium hydroxide or aluminium trihydroxide, which insoluble at pH 6.5. And then some examples: aluminium hydroxide, aluminium dihydroxide, aluminium hydroxide anion, and aluminium trihydroxide. Then these complexes aluminium are various oxidation state present. This aluminium 3 plus oxidation state. This complex aluminium are 3 plus oxidation state. You are calculate OH minus ions. Aluminium consider X plus OH. 1 OH minus 1 is equal to 2 plus overall complex charge 2 plus. Then X is equal to 2 plus 1. X is equal to plus 3. Then aluminium oxidation state is plus 3. This complex aluminium are also plus 3 oxidation state. This complex complex charge overall minus charge. Okay, this complex charge overall minus charge is equal to hydroxide ion minus 1 charge plus X means aluminium oxidation state. So X is equal to 1 minus 1 will be plus 1, minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, X is equal to 0, and this complex aluminium oxidation state is 0. Then these are some variable oxidation state aluminum hydroxide complexes. Next, the formation of a complex between a metal ion M and a ligand L is in fact usually a substitution reaction. For example, in aqueous solution, metal ions will be present as aqua ion. So the reaction for the formation of the first complex could be written as complex are metal and aqua ligand plus ligand complex will be metal H2O N minus 1 aqua ligand or water molecule substituted by ligand are also called as substitution reaction. Since water is an vast excess of concentration of water of water is usually assumed to be constant and is omitted from equilibrium constant expression. Often the metal and the ligand are competition for protons. For the equilibrium, then equation will be Pm plus Ql plus R H, M metal ion, L ligand and H concentration of H plus ions or proton, and complex M L H. Stability constant is equal to or define beta PQR is equal to concentration of metal ligand hydrogen ion complex divided by concentration of metal ions into concentration of ligands into concentration of H plus ions. The definition can easily to be extended to include any number of reagents. It includes hydroxide complexes because the concentration of hydroxide ions is related to the concentration of hydrogen ions by the self ionization of water. Water ionization H2O is equal to H plus ions plus OH minus ions. Then OH minus ions, concentration of OH minus ions is equal to formation constant divided by concentration of H plus ions. Stability constant defined in this way are association constant. This can lead to some confusion as pK value are dissociation constant. The general purpose computer program it is customary to define all constant as association constant, the relationship between the two types of constant if given in association and dissociation constant. And which application in medical science in pH selectivity of extraction related with pH in biochemistry. Biochemistry, an oxygen molecule can bind to an iron second atom in a heme protostic group in hemoglobin. The equilibrium is usually written denoting hemoglobin by Hb, symbol Hb, as equation Hb plus O2 gives HbO2 means oxyhemoglobin. But this representation is incomplete as the Bohr's effect. What is Bohr's effect? The Bohr's effect is a physiological phenomena first described in 1904 by the Danish physiologist Christian Bohr. Hemoglobin's oxygen binding affinity is inversely related both to acidity and to the concentration of carbon dioxide. That is, the Bohr's effect refers to the shift in the oxygen dissociation curve caused by change in the concentration of carbon dioxide or the pH of the environment in present blood. Carbon dioxide react with water molecule to form carbonic acid or H3CO thrice acid. An increase in carbon dioxide results in a decreases in blood pH, means H plus ions concentration increases in pH, increases in blood, resulting in hemoglobin proteins releasing their lead of oxygen, decreases in CO2 ion and increases in pH, with results in hemoglobin picking in more oxygen, means hemoglobin pick or bind to oxygen in low pH in blood. Then HbH plus that the equilibrium concentration or pH depend, a better representation would be. Then another equation HbH plus O2 gives oxyhemoglobin plus H plus ions. As this shown that when hydrogen ion concentration increases, the equilibrium is shifted to the left in accordance with Le-Chatelier's principle. And what is Le-Chatelier's principle? A principle of chemistry used to predict the effect of a change in concentration ion chemical equilibrium. When any system at equilibrium for a long period of time is subjected to a change in concentration, temperature, volume or pressure, the system changes to a new equilibrium, and this change partially concentration the applied change or applied charge. Then hydrogen ion concentration can be increased by the presence of carbon dioxide, which behave as weak acid. Then equation: water molecule with carbon dioxide to form HCO3 minus ions or hydrocarbon ions plus H plus ions. Then iron atom can also bind to other molecules such as carbon monoxide. Cigarette smoker contains some carbon monoxide, so the equilibrium are present in lungs. Oxyhemoglobin plus carbon monoxide gives carbon monoxide hemoglobin complex plus O2 is established in the blood of cigarette smoker, and this chelation therapy is based on the principle of using chelating ligands with a high binding selectivity of a particular metal to remove that weak from the human body. Complex with polyamino carboxylic acid find a wide range of application, and another use ethylene diamine tetraacetic acid or EDTA in particular is used extensively. This is the application of selectivity of extraction related with pH, and by extraction medical in use application of medical science. Thank you.